Guys, it's your boy, still needs an intro, and today's just going to be kind of a quick little upload, sort of, because got these bad boys in here today. Hold on. And I've already opened them, but you can see LMC truck right there. If you look, yeah, there we go. That looks so much better. So I'm gonna put these on, and I also got these bad boys as well. So I can replace this on both sides. Plus I got the gaskets for them. So let's go ahead and get to it. Now, I don't know about you, but yeah. Now that should conclude this. Next up is the radiator. And then, yeah. So, look forward to seeing you guys next time. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time.